Hey guys, this is Paul from Hi-Fi Mate. We have some friends don't know how to connect the screen mirroring. He want to use the YouTube or Netflix from the cell phone and mirror the screen to the big linear screen here. So the Airplay is the mirroring for iPhone. Now I want to show you how to connect it. Here it says for the wireless connection, you need to search the name with the car beginning here, and the password is here. But before doing that, we need to take a look at the setup. Setup here, smartphone list. When you use the screen mirroring, don't use the CarPlay, okay? Don't use the CarPlay. And you need to turn on the Airplay here. Airplay is the mirroring for the iPhone. So I need to turn on. So you can see the Android Auto, CarPlay, and others is off. Now we want to use the Airplay, okay? And then we just tap here and use the cell phone to search the device Wi-Fi here with the car at the beginning. Here it have a connection, car Wi-Fi here. Tap it. Input the password is here 48 and join. Okay, and then the step 2 is select the Airplay in the screen mirroring. Tap this. This icon is the mirroring, right? So click it and click the Airplay. As you can see now, it have screen your cell phone to the linear screen here. It have connection, right? Now I can use the for example the YouTube. I need to use the VPN because in China it need to use the VPN to take a look. Here you can see we take a look the screen size like this. You can see like this. There is a square in the YouTube video. In my cell phone, that's full screen, right? But in the linear screen, they are not full screen because the YouTube video just like this. If you feel that's okay, no problems.